Hello everyone, my name is Tiffany Chin and I'm here to introduce you to Expert, which is an app designed to enable anyone, anywhere to instantly chat with an expert in virtually any field. My role in creating the Expert app was being the UX researcher and UX designer. The tools used during this project was Figma, Miro, and Stark. And the timeline for this project was from May to October of this year. My design process for this project was split into 6 steps, and I will go through each step on how I developed my app. The first step was to discover what were the current problems for users when it came to seeking experts and finding possible solutions for them. Problems included where users are unable or unwilling to seek family members and friends for help, or how-to videos were not always helpful. Possible solutions were to create an app where users can instantly find an expert to answer their questions anytime and anywhere. I have looked at competitor apps such as Just Answer, where users can chat with more than 12,000 experts for help. I have looked into their objectives and created a SWOT analysis where I pinpointed their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Their strengths were that it has been there since 2003, and it has been mentioned in mainstream media. However, their weaknesses included hefty membership fees, limited access to certain experts, and expert quality. And opportunities for them to do better were to include lowering membership fees and background checks for experts. And the app also had competitors such as ChatGPT and Google. I have interviewed 6 people regarding their habits and needs when it comes to searching and asking help in experts. And I've gathered all of their information and created a user affinity map and split their information into 4 categories, which are behavior and attitude, needs and goals, frustration, and quotes. After creating the map, I've discovered that users will obtain information that they don't know, and they would usually search via Google or ChatGPT. Users expect to have their questions answered immediately, and they want experts that are experienced and reliable. Frustrations include searching engines providing too broad answers or where their answers were not accurate. Based on the information I've gathered from my interview, I've created a user persona, which is a fictional user for my app. This is Terrence C., who lives with his wife. He and his wife want to cook Chinese food, but they don't know how to. So they decided to use the app to find their expert that can help them. They've searched information in Google and ChatGPT, but it wasn't helpful. Based on their user persona, I've also created a user journey map. I've gathered bits of information from his user persona and categorized them by user steps, which included user actions, goals and experiences, feelings and thoughts, pain points, and opportunities. I've also created a user flow, mapping out Terrence's usage of the app in finding his expert. Here's the user sitemap, where the homepage has different navigation areas for users to go do their functions. I then ideate by designing low-fidelity prototypes, which is the backbone of how the app would appear. I then added text and image to give mid-fidelity prototypes context of how it would look like in the app. I then added visual design onto the app, creating high-fidelity prototypes. I've also created a style guide that included typography, color, logo, buttons, icons, imagery and illustrations, and copy and language to help guide me through the visual design for the app. And after designing, then comes app testing. I created a usability test plan where I had 6 users to test my app. I guided them during the testing and they gave me feedback while using the app. I've also gathered observations and feedback, and their main issues included topic clarity, expert profile information, and expert availability. I've also gathered additional feedback from other UX designers, and issues included onboarding, navigation, color contrast, icon sizing, menu, and profile. After several revisions, here are the final designs for the app as for now. In the future, there will be ongoing iterations as UX design always change. Thank you very much for your time, and please let me know if you